Listen up, viewers. Are you tired of feeling like a soggy biscuit first thing in the morning? Do you drag yourself out of bed with the energy of a deflated soufflé? Then you need a wake-up call, and it comes in the form of a healthy morning juice. I'm not talking about those sugary concoctions that'll send you crashing faster than a bad restaurant on opening night. I'm talking about fresh, vibrant juices packed with nutrients that'll have you feeling like you could conquer the world. Or at least conquer breakfast. In this video, I'm going to share 3 of my favorite morning juice recipes that are so delicious, so invigorating, you'll wonder how you ever started your day without them. I'm talking about the carrot, apple, beetroot juice to get your skin glowing, green juice to fuel your engine, and carrot juice to fortify your immune system. So, put down that stale coffee, grab your blender, and get ready to learn how to start your day like a true culinary champion. So stick around and watch this entire video to the end. Let me tell you about this friend that I have. One day I saw him looking like he hadn't slept a wink in a decade. His skin was duller than a rusty pan, eyes bloodshot, the whole shebang. He was a walking advertisement for a bad night's sleep. Turns out he wasn't eating right, wasn't taking care of himself. So I did what any self-respecting friend would do. I convinced him to go on a health kick. And the cornerstone of that plan was the mighty carrot apple beetroot juice. This isn't some fancy-pants spa treatment. No, it's simple, it's effective. And it'll have your skin looking as radiant as a Michelin star restaurant in no time. I'm talking carrots for a healthy dose of vitamins, apples for sweetness and fiber, and beetroot for detoxification and that gorgeous red hue. Now I know what you're thinking. Beetroot, really? Trust me on this one. You won't even taste it. And the benefits are through the roof. First up, we've got our apples. And don't even think about coming at me with those waxy, flavorless excuses for apples. We want the good stuff. The crisp, juicy varieties like Honey Crisp or Pink Lady. Apples are packed with antioxidants, which are like little ninjas that fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage your skin. And don't forget about the fiber. It'll keep your digestive system running smoother than a well-oiled machine. Now for this juice, we're going to core the apples, but feel free to leave the skin on. That's where all the good stuff is hiding, packed with even more nutrients. Chop them into manageable chunks ready for the blender. Remember, we're not making applesauce here. We want a nice, smooth juice, so don't be afraid to add a splash of water if needed. Next, we're tackling the beetroot. Now, I know this root vegetable doesn't have the best reputation. Some find it earthy, some find it overpowering. But let me tell you, it's a miracle worker when it comes to your skin. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, which help to improve blood flow and give your skin that healthy, youthful glow. It's also a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, keeping your skin firm and elastic. Scrub the beetroot well to remove any dirt, then chop it into smaller pieces. And don't worry about staining your hands, it washes off. Now, into the blender it goes, ready to blend with the apples and create a symphony of flavor and health benefits. Finally, we have our carrots, the unsung heroes of the vegetable world. These vibrant orange wonders are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, another essential nutrient for healthy skin. Vitamin A helps to protect your skin from sun damage, reduces wrinkles, and even helps to clear up acne. So, if you're after that coveted, flawless complexion, carrots are your new best friend. Give them a good scrub, chop off the ends and chop them into chunks. Make sure that they're small enough to blend easily. And there you have it. The carrot, apple, beetroot juice, a powerhouse of flavor and nutrients that'll have you looking and feeling like $1,000,000. Picture this. It's 8 a.m. Your alarm's gone off for the 5th time, and you're still glued to the bed like a burnt pancake. Sound familiar? Don't tell me you're content with starting your day feeling like you've run a marathon before even leaving the house. You need energy, you need vitality, you need something to kickstart your metabolism and send you into the day feeling like a rocket. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. What you need is a tall glass of green juice. This isn't your average grassy green juice that tastes like you're chewing on a lawn. This is a symphony of flavors and nutrients, carefully curated to awaken your senses and fuel your body. I'm talking leafy greens for vitamins and minerals, a touch of sweetness from fruits like green apple or pineapple, and a hint of zing from ginger or lemon. It's the perfect balance of health and deliciousness. Now, when I say leafy greens, I don't mean a sad, wilted lettuce past its prime. I'm talking about the best of the best spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, even a handful of fresh parsley if you're feeling adventurous. These greens are packed with vitamins A, C and K, as well as iron and folate. They're like the culinary equivalent of a multivitamin, but 1,000 times tastier and without the chalky aftertaste. Give them a good rinse, tear them into manageable pieces, and don't be afraid to pack in as much as you can. The more greens, the more glorious the juice. Remember, we're aiming for a vibrant green elixir, not a murky swamp monster concoction. Now, before you turn your nose up at the thought of drinking your greens, let's talk about balancing those flavors. We want a juice that's refreshing, invigorating, and definitely not a punishment to drink. A green apple, cored and chopped, adds a touch of natural sweetness and a satisfying crunch. A few slices of pineapple bring a tropical twist and aid digestion. And if you're feeling adventurous, a small knob of ginger adds a fiery kick that'll wake up your taste buds faster than a fire alarm. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance. Taste as you go, adjust the ingredients to your liking, and don't be afraid to experiment. Once you've assembled your ingredients, it's time to unleash the power of your blender. Now, I'm not talking about some flimsy contraption that struggles to crush ice. We need a machine that's up to the task, one that can handle the toughest greens and transform them into a silky smooth masterpiece. Blitz those ingredients until they're completely broken down, adding a splash of water if needed to achieve the desired consistency. We're looking for a vibrant green juice that's smooth, refreshing, and ready to revitalize your entire being. And there you have it, the green juice, a powerhouse of nutrients and flavor that'll have you bouncing off the walls with energy and ready to conquer the day. This next story is about this other friend, pasty as a waterlogged pastry, always sniffling and coughing. Couldn't make it through a day without popping vitamin pills like they were sweets. I introduced him to this carrot juice and he decides, what the hell, might as well give it a try. Now, I'm not saying this juice is some miracle cure, but this friend, after a few weeks of knocking back this sunshine in a glass, he starts looking alive. Colour returns to his cheeks, he ditches the cough drops, and even cracks a smile. Turns out, the humble carrot, yeah, that's right, the carrot packs a bigger punch than this friend's sad immune system ever did. So if you're feeling like a limp lettuce yourself, constantly battling the sniffles, pay attention. This carrot juice might be the kick your immune system needs. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants, all ready to fight off those nasty bugs trying to take you down. No more excuses, let's get you fighting fit. First up, the star of the show, carrots. And not those limp, pale imitations you find at the bottom of some sad salad bar. We want fresh, vibrant carrots bursting with flavor and nutrients. You want your juice to taste like sunshine, not disappointment. Scrub those carrots well. Get rid of any dirt clinging on for dear life. And unless you enjoy chewing on wood, I suggest you peel those tough skins off. We're after a smooth, delicious juice, not a mouthful of splinters. Now, the beauty of carrots is they're packed with beta-carotene, which your body cleverly converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A is a powerhouse for your immune system, helping to keep those nasty colds and infections at bay. So get chopping those carrots and let's boost those defenses. Now, I know what you're thinking. Carrots alone. Bit boring, isn't it? And you'd be right. You need to up your flavor game. That's where our trusty sidekick comes in. Ginger. A little knob of fresh ginger goes a long way, adding a fiery kick to your juice. Don't be shy. A good inch or two of ginger will do the trick. Peel that knobbly root and give it a rough chop. We want the ginger to release its potent flavor and add a warming sensation to your juice. And it's not just about the taste. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to soothe your gut and boost your immune system. It's like a fiery army, ready to fight off any invaders. To balance out the earthy flavors of the carrots and the fiery kick of ginger, we need a touch of sweetness. But hold on to your hats, I'm not reaching for the sugar jar. I'm going natural with a crisp, juicy apple. Choose your apple wisely. We want something with a bit of sweetness and a hint of tartness. A Granny Smith or a Pink Lady will do the job nicely. Core the apple and chop it into chunks, ready for juicing. The apple adds a refreshing sweetness to the juice, making it more palatable and enjoyable. And let's not forget the fiber, which helps to keep your gut happy and your digestive system running smoothly. There you have it. 3 incredible juice recipes that are anything but a waste of time. Whether you're after glowing skin, a morning energy boost, or a supercharged immune system, there's a juice in there for you. No more excuses for starting your day with sugary cereals or greasy fry-ups. These juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, ready to fuel your body and kickstart your day. Now, I want you to get in that kitchen, get those blenders going, and show me what you've got. And don't forget to tell me all about it in the comments section below. What are your favorite juice combinations? Remember to click that subscribe button for more healthy recipes and tips. And let's get cooking. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow, and in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.